Hey guys, and welcome back for another video. If you want to see how I take these ingredients and turn them into rice water, stay tuned. My recipe includes rice, of course, long grain is my preference, bottled water, and an orange. You'll see me measuring out my rice here. It comes out to about a cup of rice. You will then see me pour that rice into a sieve. I'm then going to proceed to wash the rice, giving the rice a good wash to get rid of any dirt or anything that's in the rice that you don't want incorporated or released into the water. After rinsing your rice, you're then going to put your sieve in a bowl to catch any excess water. You're then going to use a spoon and scoop the rice into a mason jar, as you see me doing here. Once all of your rice is in your mason jar, you will then proceed to add your bottled water into the mason jar. After adding your water to your mason jar, you will then set it aside and proceed to cut a few slices of orange. After you have your orange slices, take each slice, squeeze a little bit of the juice out into the water, and then proceed to place each slice into the mason jar with the water. After your orange slices are in your mason jar, place your lid on your mason jar and seal tightly. Then place your mason jar to the side and allow it to sit for at least an hour to an hour and a half to allow your rice and your water to ferment. The longer that you allow your rice water to sit, the more potent the rice water, and in my opinion, the better. After your rice water has fermented and is ready to use, Open the mason jar and using a sieve over a cup, pour out the contents of that mason jar into the cup. You will note that the sieve acts as a barrier to catch any grains of rice or any parts of the orange that may try to fall out into the cup. Now it's time to grab the container that you will use to apply the rice water to your hair. In this case, it's a spray bottle for me. You will note that I use a flexible cup just to help me maneuver the whole of the bottle and the cup to pour the contents of the cup into the bottle. If you have a funnel, you can use a funnel. It makes life a lot more easier, but the cup works just fine for me as well. Alright guys, there you have it. Your rice bottle is now in the container. All that's left to do is secure the cover of your spray bottle back on. Make sure it's nice and tight, and there you go, ready to use.